Okay, we are going to look at partial fractions with the second case. The second case of partial fractions is denominator with repeated factors. Right, you will see here in the example the denominator is repeated. Okay, and we will follow the same check rule that we have been doing to see, yes, we can do the partial fractions. If it is bottom heavy, yes, the highest power is here, power of 3, it is bottom heavy. And then is the denominator given in factored form? Yes, it is given in factored form. In case when it is not given in factored forms, it will be your duty to change it to a factored form, then only you can work with this. Okay, right? All right, so 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 2 everything squared. We are going to give numerators to each of them. So a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 2, c upon x minus 2 squared. You can see I have put that separately and then again in the repeated form. So 2x plus 1 is upon x plus 1 into x minus 2 squared. We have to now add the three fractions together. So how many times x will go into this denominator? X minus 2 squared times. There you go. That's how we multiply. How many times x minus 2 will go into this denominator? It will go x minus 1 and the other x minus 2. X minus 1 and the other x minus 2. There you go. Then how many times x minus 2 everything squared will go into this denominator? It will go there x minus 1 times, right? Okay, you will see when we are writing this common denominator, we are actually not supposed to be writing that. That's why I've crossed that off. Only that and that. Okay, even though we have written there with three different things, but this is the lowest common factor that we can think of. Okay, so now let's start equating it. I'll have to substitute a value, so my brackets can eliminate. I can substitute x is -1, then x is 2, and then further on. So when I substitute x is -1, you will see that and that will go to 0, and then you'll end up with, once you solve a is -1/3. Right, then when we want to look at the next one, x is equals to 2, right, it will eliminate. You'll have the value of c is equals to 1, right? Now we have to have another situation, so we'll have to pick a smaller value. Let's just pick 0. Make a habit of using 0 or any other smaller value, so that we can end up as an equation. And since we already know our value of I think a and c, and then we can substitute to find the other one. So once we substitute 0 in place of x's, we'll end up like that. And we already know our value of a and already know our value of c, which we have substituted, and then it has started to eliminate, right? We'll take everything one by one on this side. I'll have my value of b as -1/3. So let me substitute my a, b, and c in place of a, b, and c in my equation. That fraction, single fraction, has turned into a nice looking partial fraction. Thank you.